Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking to add a little extra personality and visual pop to your Notion pages? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to insert emojis into your Notion workspace. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to bring a touch of color and fun to your notes, lists, and projects, making your workspace both more engaging and easier to navigate. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Notion workspace. If you're already there, great. Otherwise, just log in and head to the page where you want to sprinkle some emoji goodness. Think about where you'd like to place the emoji. Maybe you're updating a task list, building out a dashboard, or just want to add flair to a headline. Emojis can help you quickly spot important sections or bring some personality to an otherwise plain page. Now here comes the neat part. Notion has a quick command for adding emojis. All you need to do is type a / followed by the letter E, so that's, and then E no spaces, just those two characters. This might look a little mysterious if you haven't used Notion's / commands before, but it's actually a shortcut for a ton of hidden features. By typing E, you're telling Notion, hey, I want to add an emoji right here. Once you've typed E, just hit the Enter key. This part is almost instant, but don't worry if it takes a second. Sometimes Notion thinks before it acts, especially if your internet is having a moment. After you press Enter, you'll see a window or menu pop up with a huge collection of emojis. It's basically like having your own digital sticker book at your fingertips. Take a few moments to scroll through the emojis. You can pick from faces, animals, objects, pretty much any symbol you can think of. Some people like to use stars to highlight important actions or check marks to mark things as done. Maybe a rocket for a fast-moving project or a little light bulb for new ideas. Think about your workspace and choose something that feels right for the vibe or theme you're going for. If you're not sure which emoji to pick, just remember you can always change it later. So no pressure, experiment and see what clicks. Once you found the emoji you want, simply click it. Instantly, it'll appear right where your cursor was. And that's it. You've added an emoji to Notion, no copying and pasting from other sites, no extra add-ons. It really is that simple. Just to recap. You open Notion, type E, press Enter, select your emoji, and you're done. Adding emojis is a small action, but it can make a big difference. Sometimes the simplest touches, like a smiley face or a fire icon, are what make our digital workspaces feel more personal and easier to use. If you made it to the end of this tutorial and found it helpful, hit that like button. It lets me know I should make more quick guides like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Notion, or if you have your own favorite emojis and how you use them in your workspace. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip that will help you make your digital life smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.